Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ledger from Zerodha full guide. First, sign into Kite and head straight to Console to find account statements. Pick the Ledger section, choose the date range, and select CSV or PDF to download. If you need tax reporting, export the entire transaction list and double-check totals. I will walk you through each click and shortcut to save time and avoid mistakes. Set a clear date range before exporting to avoid confusion and extra work. For tax filing, pick the financial year start and end, or choose custom dates for specific reconciliations. Monthly exports help track recurring charges, while daily exports are best for active traders. I recommend saving each export with a descriptive file name so you can find the exact ledger quickly when needed. After choosing the format, download the file and open it immediately to verify contents. CSV files let you filter and sum columns, while PDFs make sharing simple and presentable. Check that the opening balance matches the previous ledger and that the closing balance aligns with your bank or DMAT statement. If numbers mismatch, retrace transactions or contact Zerodha support for clarification before filing taxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.